So we decided to trek because Laura wants us to trek. And now we're freezing like hell.
Man, it's not cold.
It's not fucking cold. Come on, guys. You have more foot than me. Foot.
Yeah. So we're walking and we're shaking our asses out here. Still fine. Because we are the TASSIE Adventure Team.
Hi, Don.
Hi, Don.
Don nigga, motherfucker nigga.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah, motherfucker nigga. We miss you, hey, mate. And we miss your black ass out here.
It's snowing.
Oh, yeah. So it's snowing.
I'll take a video of you.
I know, I'm videoing myself.
Para makita ni mo na nag-snowfall.
It's okay. I can see the snow now.
Oh man.
Oh, it's snowing.
It's snowing.
We better do a 60p for this. Oh, it's snowing. It's going. Oh, it's
It's a good idea to go out and play.
Snowy again.
Take your tongue out, people. They're ignorant. Take your tongue out, people.
And we're not wearing snow clothes.
Because they're ignorant. We don't have snow.
We weren't ready, and it's getting windy. You can just imagine how it feels out here. Feels great.
My dick is freezing, man.
Yeah. Yeah. This is like the Blair Witch Project. We're trying to do videos. We'll be running anytime soon. You see the snow there? I'm panting. This is an uphill trek. This is not a joke. Anyway, I'd like to say, hi Mom. Look, one hand on the camera. Oh, this place is great. You're great. Oh, where's your face, man?
It's cold as, bro.
Yeah, just keep on moving. You'll survive.
So hot because I feel like my heart's gonna burst. It's so fucking snowing.
Whoa! Whoa! Wombat pool.
Where are we going?
Neither. Oh, there's a pool here. I farted there. I'll quickly check here and go back. Just wait there. Just a view of the lake. There it is. View of the lake. It's pretty cold. Yes, it is. Look at the lake, mate. It's good.
Can I take a video of you?
Okay. There you go. We'll take photos. Sense.
Can you see the snow? Flakes. Are you still alive? What's wrong with you?
It's fucking cold, man.
Not that cold.
Just it is bad.
Hug me, hug.
You're just pretending.
No, I'm not.
No,